Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, you learned about the lowercase letter Q. And what's the sound of the letter Q again? The sound of Q is qua. The sound of Q is qua. All the letters make a sound. The sound of Q is qua, qua. And today, we will learn another lesson. And today, we will learn about the capital and the lowercase letter Q. The mommy letter Q and the baby letter Q. How about the next slide? How about you get your paper and or your board because we will trace the letter Q. How you make the capital letter Q first? Make a round and round and round and round and add a line on the side. The capital letter Q. While the lowercase letter Q, make a straight line down to the ground, then add a half circle on the side. That's the lowercase letter Q, the capital and the lowercase letter Q. How about you show to Teacher Jen your letter Q? Wow, very good. Again, what letter is that? The letter Q. And what's the sound of the letter Q? The sound of Q is qua. The sound of Q is qua. All the letters make a sound. The sound of Q is qua, qua. And question, qua, qua, question, start with the letter Q. Very good. You know how to trace your letter Q. And these are the things that start with the letter Q. The queen, queen, question, quarter, quail, quill, and quilt start with the letter Q. The sound. How about let's look for another slide. How about you get your Play-Doh and your Play-Doh mat because you will make your letter Q. Okay, get the Play-Doh and the Play-Doh mat. Make the letter Q. The first is the capital letter Q and the lowercase letter Q. And remember, quarter and queen start with the letter Q. How about you make your letter Q and then show it to teacher if you're done? Are you done? Show it to teacher. Wow, very good. Again, what letter is that? That is the letter Q. Can you point where is the capital letter Q? Yes, this is the capital letter Q. How about the lowercase? Very good. This is the lowercase letter Q. And the sound of Q is kwa, kwa. Good job. How about the next slide? Let's look for the next slide. Oh, this is a queen. How about let's bring the capital letter Q to the lowercase letter Q. Make a straight line, another straight line, and another straight line. Good job. Q is for queen. How about let's look for the next slide. Okay, later on you will trace again the letter Q. Make a round and add a line on the side. Another one. Make a half circle, then line down and curve. The lowercase letter Q, capital, and the lowercase letter Q. Remember, Q is for queen. A queen starts with the letter Q, the Q sound. Another one. Oh, there's a lots of queens on the screen. How about let's paste all the queens inside the capital letter Q. Paste it all. Paste, paste, paste. All the queens on the capital letter Q, then the lowercase letter Q. Paste it all. Paste it all. Paste it all. Paste it all. Again, what letter is this? The letter Q. The capital and the lowercase letter Q. The kwa sound. And Q is for queen. How about the next slide? Oh, this is a queen. And how about you get your stamp? Get your stamp, everyone. Then you need to stamp the queen using your letter Q stamp. And Teacher Jen will use the star only. This is a queen and you need to stamp all the queen. Again, queen, start with what letter again? The letter Q. Very good. And Q is for queen. How about the next slide? Let's look for the next slide. Okay. And then next one, you need to make your queen. And queen needs a crown. The queen needs an eyes. And also the mouth of the queen. And again, Q is for queen. Good job. Let's look for the next slide. How about let's match all the shadows of the queen? The first shadow, the second shadow, and the last shadow for the all the queens. Did we match all the shadow of the queens? Yes, very good. How about the next slide? Okay, this is the sizes. Follow teacher. Big, middle size, and small. Big, middle size, and small. The first one is the big. The number one must be big, queen. The middle size queen, and the small queen. Did we match all the sizes? Yes, again, big, middle size, and small. Next one. And you need to match all the shapes. The first shape is a circle, diamond, triangle, square, star, rectangle, heart, oval, crescent. How about the shape that has a 6 side? It's a hexagon. And the shape that has a 5 side, it's a pentagon. Very good. And later on, you will match it properly on your worksheets. And the next one is we need to color all the queens on the screen of Teacher Jen. The first one, what is the color of the apple? Yes, the first queen must be color red. Next one, the color of the sky and the color of the ocean. It's color blue. The color of the leaf and the color of the grass. Color green. How about the color of ballerina and the color of the pig? It's color pink. The color of Mr. Sun. It's color yellow. Very good. How about the color of the pumpkin and the color of the carrots? It's color orange. Then the color of the grapes. It's color purple. But the color of the chocolate. It's color brown. Next one, what's the color of your hair? It must be color black. Next one, the color of the elephant. It's color gray. And the last one, what's the color of your teeth and the color of the paper? It's color white. And you cannot see the color white on the screen because it appears white on the paper. Very good. You know how to identify all the colors. And now, it's time for you to get your worksheets because it's work time. And don't forget to paste your name on your worksheets. And today you learn about the capital and the lowercase letter Q. And what's the sound of the letter Q again? The sound of Q is qua. The sound of Q is qua. All the letters make a sound. The sound of Q is qua, qua. And teacher will give you a clap and a thumbs up. And don't forget to make your attendance for today. Bye-bye.